We are going to plant some sweet potato slips today. I put a sweet potato in water and then it grew shoots like this. Then I separated the shoots from the sweet potato and then I put them in a glass of water and they grew more roots like this. They are called sweet potato slips. We are going to plant them today. We are going to separate these slips from the potato and we will put them in water. This has roots already. We are going to plant this in soil to grow sweet potatoes. We harvested our onions from this raised bed yesterday and I amended the soil by adding more potting mix. And then we are going to use this raised bed to plant this sweet potato slips. Sweet potato needs full sun and loose potting mix or loose soil. Sweet potato needs at least 3 months before we harvest the sweet potatoes.